how to set HDMI out on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. And Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and go to monitor section. Here in monitor section, you can see here the HDMI out, and the HDMI out is set into mirror display. So you can change this or set this by tap the HDMI out, and now you can see the option. So you can set the HDMI out into mirror display or video feed. So okay, I decided to set into video feed, and if you select the video feed, you can also turn on this option below. So you can turn on the clean feed by switching on the switch button on the right side, and also you can turn on the status text by switching on the switch button on the right side, and also this option below. Okay, so I decided to set into video feed the HDMI out. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the HDMI out on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.